Alright guys, so we got our temporary VNT 15 on there. Very small turbo, but it will support about the same amount of power and maybe spool up a little slower, but it will get by for now. Obviously I know a bigger turbo and everything else, we could do a lot more to this thing, but for now we're just trying to get this thing out on the ranch so he can cruise it around and see what it does at 50 mile an hour or so. So this turbo should do that no problem. I went ahead and put the map sensor right here in the intake. Just the 2-inch pipe is so small, I hate trying to mess with that. So anyway, it actually worked pretty well. There's enough meat there to tap into on the intake, and it will affect readings when you're at idle. Maybe they might heat up a little bit, but as long as there's airflow, it should be correct. And I also didn't get it on video, but we went ahead and put in a new cam and timing, just the pretty much all the factory stuff. It's a Phoebe cam, I believe. Nothing special, but it should get us on the road here. And as you can see, we did a full 3-inch exhaust basically off of the turbo's got the stock section of downpipe there, and I can't really get it in the video, but the O2 sensors right there in the downpipe, and then we got it clear back there to the tailpipe. Kind of nice, the V8 has a 3-inch exhaust back there anyway, so that worked pretty well. So anyway, I got some road tests for you guys, mostly just accelerating. We're still getting the tune kind of worked in for the best highway EGTs we can get, but I wanted to show you guys how it accelerates. And again, if you're expecting this thing to rip like crazy, you're probably going to just want to stop here, because it is 100 probably 140 horsepower and maybe 250 torque, somewhere in that range. And so we're really just looking at what the TDI in close to stock form can do in a half-ton pickup compared to the old 350, which honestly was not that fast. There were still a lot of hills that it downshifted on, and all to get 8 or 10 mpg. So we'll see how she does here, and enjoy the videos. Also, I forgot to mention the stall converter is definitely too low. It's really just delaying spool up even more. It still will if you load it up enough. I'll get a clip of it here to start with, but it should be able to light up right away, especially with this stock turbo. And so we're probably going to have to do something like a 1600 RPM stall converter in it down the road.